Hello. In this video today, this is an updated video for my WK4, my wearable keyring 4. It's a product I'd made a while ago, but in this video I'm going to show I'm going to show a better version of what this product is all about. Actually, it's quite unique. It's when you look at it, it's actually a 10-piece product. It takes 10 pieces in order to make this to create a wearable keyring 4 product that I've created. It's this one here first. It's a double-ended clip keyring, and here is a carabiner, which is a screw fit carabiner. It opens up. So it's 1, 2, 3, another plastic carabiner, another carabiner you'd use to attach the chain with. And that's a sample of the carabiner right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a chain, another carabiner like this, 6, this one here, another keyring, 7, 8 is the neodymium pot magnet, and that pot magnet I've added I believe it's a 1/4-inch rod neodymium magnet in the middle, and a bolt and a nut, sorry, to keep to hold the magnet with. Now see how unique it is. It's quite handy. You can stick the keyring onto the magnet, and so this will be attached to your jeans loop. It works best on jeans because jeans are hard wearing. So you attach that to your jean loop, and then you let it hang down and put the rest into your pocket. And then when it comes time to take your keys out, all you have to do is just take it off here. Boom. So you're in business there. I've not seen anything like this. This is the first product of its kind in the world, and it's quite unique. So let me know what you think about it. All right, thank you.